Ostriches. Ostriches are fascinating creatures that are native to Africa and are the largest living species of bird. They belong to the family Struthionidae and are known for their long necks, powerful legs, and distinctive feather patterns. Ostriches are flightless birds, but they are incredibly fast runners, capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, which makes them the fastest two-legged animal on land. One of the most notable features of ostriches is their large eyes, which are the largest of any land animal. Their eyes are around 5 centimeters in diameter, and they are positioned on either side of their head, allowing them to have a wide field of vision. This adaptation helps them to detect predators from a distance and enables them to be more vigilant in their environment.